Welcome! In today's video, I'll show how to allow your contacts to see your bio on Telegram web using your PC. This method follows the latest update, so everything you'll see is completely up to date. Let's get started. First, open Telegram web on your computer. Make sure you're logged in with your account so all your settings are accessible. Once the web page finishes loading, look toward the top left corner of your screen. You'll notice 3 horizontal lines stacked together. That's the main menu icon. Click on it to open the side panel. From here, select Settings. This section is where you manage all your preferences, from notifications and privacy to appearance and general account info. Next, inside the Settings menu, choose Privacy and Security. This area controls who can see your personal details, such as your phone number, last seen status, and profile photo. It's also where you can decide who gets access to your bio information. Now scroll down until you find the option labeled Bio. Click on it. You'll see different visibility choices. To let your saved contacts view your bio while keeping it hidden from strangers, select My Contacts. This option strikes the perfect balance between privacy and personalization. It means only people you've added can read your short description below your profile name. Once you've made your choice, Telegram will automatically save the new setting.